Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef udon noodles. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have quality beef and authentic udon. Next, prepare your vegetables and liquids for the broth. This initial organization makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a truly delicious meal. We'll cover each step in detail, from slicing the beef to the final garnish. Start by thinly slicing your beef, ideally against the grain to ensure tenderness. Aim for slices about 1/4 inch thick. Then, prepare your vegetables such as chopping onions and green onions. Next, measure out your liquid ingredients like dashi stock, soy sauce, and mirin for the flavorful broth. Finally, ensure your udon noodles are ready for cooking. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the broth. Combine dashi stock, soy sauce, and mirin in a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add your thinly sliced beef to this simmering broth, cooking it until it's tender and infused with flavor. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface to keep your broth clear and delicious. This step takes about 5 minutes. For the final step, cook your udon noodles separately in boiling water until they are perfectly al dente, usually 1 to 2 minutes for frozen noodles. Drain them well and divide them among your serving bowls. Ladle the hot, flavorful broth and tender beef over the noodles. Finish by garnishing with fresh green onions, and if desired, a perfectly soft boiled egg for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.